Okay, now we'll download and install the fonts we need to work with the IPA and Praat, and you can find these on your Moodle course page. So since we're working with a Mac, we'll download the Mac fonts. And now navigate to your Downloads folder in the Finder, and we'll double-click the macfonts.zip file. And the .ttf files and the .fam files are the font files. And fonts go in your library/fonts folder under the home directory. So we'll open that in a new window, go to the File menu, New Finder window. And again, we go to Library, Fonts, and then drag all of the font files into the fonts folder. And that's it. Now you can use the IPA and Praat.